When testing an application for XSS vulnerabilities, it can be sometimes hard to come up with a successful attack and test multiple alternatives. You can use an app like XSSer to automate this. In this series, you will learn how. Keep watching! Hi there! I'm Manuel Gutierrez from thelighthouse.co, and in this quick tips series, I will share snackable videos focusing on just one feature or problem. So if you're new here, hit the subscribe and the bell notification buttons below so you don't miss a thing. Let's start! Create a file called dockerfile and use Kali Linux as the parent image, and finally install XSSer. Build the Docker image and run it to see that it's working. For testing purposes, I have a vulnerable nodejs application that concatenates a simple HTML string with whatever comes from the query string name parameter that is then returned to the user. Install the dependencies and start the Node.js server. Then open the page in the browser and add a value to the name parameter. We can see the value being added into our HTML page. Now, using our Docker XSSer container, let's provide the URL for our vulnerable Node.js app by using the -u option. Make sure that the query string parameter or parameters that we want to test are also part of the URL and that they have XSS as their values. The first thing that we can see here is that it started with the name parameter and that it found a XSS vulnerability. We can also see the payload used to identify the issue. If we try that payload on the URL as the value of the name parameter, you should first see that its value is being rendered outside the input tag, which we can confirm if we inspect the HTML. Awesome! Congratulations and thanks for watching! You can join the free mini course associated with this video by clicking on the link in the description below. Share any comments or suggestions about the series or future topics. And if you like the video, also hit the like button below.